Our lesson for today is how to multiply a number with a 9 series having the number of digits is more than what is being multiplied. For example, 999 times 23. It's not 233 times 99. That cannot be. Upang mas lalo nating maintindihan, balikan natin ang previous lessons. Things to remember when multiplying number series whose digits are the same. 123 times 999. First, we have to subtract 1 from 123. The result is 122. Now, we have to find the complement of 122. 1 needs 8 to become 9. 2 needs 7 to become 9. And the last digit, 2, needs 7. But wait, para saan to? Yan ay masasagot sa susunod na lesson kung saan yung number of digits ng 9 series ay mas madami kaysa sa number nating imumultiply. And now, here is the final answer. 122,877. Susunod nating example ay yung sinasabi kong mas madaming digits ang ating 9 series kaysa ating minumultiply. 123 has 3 digits while 9,999 has 4. First step, bawasan muna natin ng isa ang multiplicand. 123 minus 1 is 122. 1 needs 8, 2 needs 7, another 2 is needed by 7. Now, ito na ang gamit nung nasa gitnang space. Ang malaman natin kung ilang squares ang pwede nating isingit dito. Depende sa number ng digits ng ating multiplier and the multiplicand. For example, in this case, 4 digits minus 3 digits is equal to 1. So, ang gagamitin natin o isisingit natin ay isa lang. What is the final answer? It is 1,229,877. In this video, we will be having a short quiz on a specific topic. It is shortened to 10 items only, and you are expected to finish in 30 seconds. There will be no answer keys, for they will be discussed with your teacher. Label your answers with the video ID and the date when you took the quiz. Good luck! This project is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Ito ay libreng serbisyo mula sa inyong lingkod para sa kabataang Pilipino. Para makamit ang tagumpay, kailangan tulong-tulong tayo. Upang maging epektibo ang iyong pag-aaral, kailangan i-monitor ninyo ang speed ng bawat take ng exam. Ready? Item number 1. Find the product. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 2. Find the product. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 3. Find the product. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 4. Find the product. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 5. Find the product. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 6. Find the product. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 7. Find the product. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 8. Find the product. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 9. Find the product. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 10. Find the product. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Congratulations! Now let us wait for your teacher to discuss these items. This project is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Just remember, this is my personal advocacy and it is free. Anyone may join.